Hi, welcome back to my channel, Crazy Gang. And we are going to do the winner for the Neon Parrot giveaway. Now, I have Kaya, my daughter here.
Hello.
Her friends, Jess and Iris.
Hi.
All three of them, and you're going to watch it on here, are going to decide a winner. And they are going to look at every single name and comment and decide together the winner. Okay, so I'm going to pass it over to them. Okay, and we're going to go to the right at the bottom of the comments. Right, and then they can decide. All three, that's the bottom, so you go top. Sorry if it's gone quiet, they're trying to decide a winner. You can discuss it and talk, girls.
Okay. These people look cool. I commented twice.
You've got 100, keep going right to the top and then decide.
My favourite. I picked that person there. Who? No. Where'd he go? Him? I don't know. No, it says, oh yeah, him.
Who? Girls, don't mess around with the wrapper, you're recording.
Let's pick.
You've got to go all the way to the top
yeah, hold
and
on.
then decide. So look at them all and then you all decide who to choose. Don't mess around with the wrapper because that's going to annoy the microphone. Keep going.
God.
I know.
Go back down. Oh, I picked Jess. I'm joking.
No, keep going to the top.
Oh,
Look at them all.
missing manage again. Go back down. No.
Just wait a minute.
Olivia Bartlett, sorry. Gabriel. Agrest.
Right, now you can choose one. You've looked at them all.
I think.
Go down.
No, you've got to all discuss it and just choose it between you.
I'll say. If I can't find the girl. Her. Do you agree?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so click on it. So this is the winner of the Neon Parrot. So congratulations, Alia Durrani. You have won the Neon Parrot. So
Where's my
please
heart?
comment on this video your username and add me. And I will add you back and give you your prize. So congratulations. Say congrats, girls.
Congratulations.
Okay. Good luck next time, everyone. And at the end of next week, I will be giving one of you your dream pet. Bye.